Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Color Themes, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Adobe Color website by typing in the URL in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to access the login page. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, locate the Create an Account option on the login page. Click on Create an Account to begin the registration process. Fill in the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Review the terms of use and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Click the Create Account button to submit your registration. Once your account is created, you may need to verify your email address. Open your email inbox and find the verification email from Adobe. Click on the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Return to the Adobe Color website and sign in using your newly created account. After logging in, explore the features available for color themes. You can now create new color themes or explore existing ones. To create a new theme, click on the Create button. Use the color wheel or sliders to choose your desired colors. Once you're satisfied, save your theme by clicking on the Save button. You can also tag your theme for easier searching and organization. To share your theme, look for the Share options provided. Familiarize yourself with the community features to engage with other designers. Visit the Explore section to view popular themes created by others. Utilize the search bar to find specific themes that match your project needs. Start creating and experimenting with color themes that inspire your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.